Hi everyone, this video is for those who are looking for content writing jobs that they can do as a freelance. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about one of the company that is hiring for freelance content writers, and the company is mainly located in India, and they are looking for freelance writers. So here's the company website, MarketingMasala, and here are all the details mentioned. MarketingMasala is a digital marketing agency which helps businesses with the growth marketing. The company helps businesses increase their online presence and sales using growth hacking, search engine marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, content, and inbound marketing. And they have clients across the globe ranging from the US, Europe, Australia, Singapore, and Africa. So here's the company website that you can check, and this is about the role: content writer, full-time, freelance. Content writing at Marketing Masala is about building content that speaks to customers, conveys the right idea, and tempts users to become paying customers. See here the skills required. They are looking for professional content writing skills in the B2B and B2C industry. And if you have, you can apply if you have at least 2+ years of experience in content writing in the past, and you can work from their office for a full-time role, or you are an experienced freelancer who can work remotely. So they have like both the opportunities. If you are interested in their full-time role that you can do from their office, so you can choose that, or otherwise you can work as a freelancer remotely from home or anywhere. And if you can apply if you are self-driven and love to learn something new every day, you are fluent and creative in English writing. So yeah, I think this is a great opportunity for those who are looking for freelance content writing jobs. And so as a content writer at Marketing Masala, you can expect writing captions and descriptions of our social media content on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google Plus, etc., and writing web content like blog posts around 1000 words at least, email content, and other related things. So these are all the types of content that you would be working as a like content writer, and writing text for ads like Google and Facebook ads to make them highly compelling and infectious, proofreading all marketing copy and content before making it live on the internet, and scheduling content for various clients on their social media profiles using tools like Buffer app. So these are all the types of roles and responsibilities that you can expect while working as a content writer, and you can choose either work from home as a freelancer, or to work from office as a full-time employee. So this is up to you, and if you're interested, you can write them at this email ID, careers@marketingmasala.com. So yeah, I think this is a great opportunity for everyone who is interested in content writing or looking for freelance or work from home opportunity in content writing. So go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.